Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rob Smith and this is Making Tees. Now I don't know if many of you have watched some of my previous videos, but I've do a lot of DTG printing and embroidery, and recently I thought I need some new magnetic frames there, but they're so expensive, a lot of the big brands online, and I come across a company called Maggieframe, and I got to start with a back hoop. I think it's like 10.5 by 12.5. Absolutely brilliant. Magnets are super strong, really, really good. So I then got a small hoop to do chest logos, brilliant. And then I got a sleeve hoop, which I've never had before, and again, really good. And they're all green, called Maggieframe. Now I was looking on the website and I found a thing and a pack, and it's called an 8-in-1. Now I'm going to be referring to the computer because I can't remember what all of them do, but it's 8-in-1 Fast Magna Hoop Kit. So I've just opened it up. So this is your basic part that you screw each of these different ones to. So that goes on the actual machine, and then it looks like you clip in. I've not used them yet, they're all in packet still. Looks like the bit on the end clips in there and then it's on the machine. So that's the main part that you add all these eight different frames to. I'll put that down there now, showing you that. And I thought I'd just go through them all with you and tell you what each one is meant for, because I've never used them. So this is a 1x6, and this is recommended to do this frame is used for small projects such as socks and short sleeve garments. So you can do socks with this, which is great. So that's the 1x6. So I thought that was really good. There is a specific one I actually got this kit for, but I'll tell you that when I get to it. So yeah, 1x6. Then we've got, what we've got here. So there's quite a few of them. There's, like I say, there's 8 to go through. Then we've got the, what's this? This is this. I'm not sure. So, right. So then this one is the 8x6. So this is an 8x6, and this is meant for the 8 or 6x. This frame is used for large bags, purses, and pillowcases. Brilliant. Then we've got this one, which is actually what I wanted it for, this shaped one. This is the radius hat frame for sides and backs of hats. This frame is used for the back and sides of caps, bucket hats, sleeves, cuffs, collar tips, and ribbons, etc. So that is why I actually got this. You can see they're magnetic. So this is the one I got, mainly the reason I got this kit. Then we've got the, I'm just referring to the pictures here. This is this is a 2. Yeah, this is a 2x4. So the 2x4 is designed suitable for woven and denim fabrics. It's also ideal for socks, fanny packs, what we call bum bags, CD pouches, and other non-hoopable items. So that's a 2x4. We'll take one out in a minute, have a proper look. And then this one is the 4x5, 5x4. This frame is for leather, canvas, nylon, and velvet. It leaves no hoop burn and is ideal for bag pockets, flaps, short sleeve shirts, and Christmas stockings. Brilliant. 3 more to go. Oh, sorry, I just dropped one of my metal rulers. It was stuck to this. So this one is the 7x5. And this frame features a wider design, making it ideal for large bag pockets, prominent logos, and flaps, which is that one. This one is the, what we got there? The, what's this? No, that's the 11x4. So this must be the 8x6. So this is the 8x6. And this frame is used for large bags, purses, and pillowcases. And that will then just leave this one, which is the 4x11. This frame is used for large bags and pillowcases. So the outside is on the outside of the bag. God, I'll tell you what. So I've taken off the top part. You can see all them magnets in there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 magnets just on that one hoop. Okay, it's probably going to take your fingers off. So like all of their quality magnets, ooh, it is strong. So I'm assuming, as I say, I haven't used it yet. But like their other hoop frames, I've got to put the metal brackets on here so it fits my machine. And I'm assuming that unspins there. Magnets everywhere. So that'll be on the machine. That'll go there. You then screw that on there, like this, so. Yeah. Okay, so now, this part is attached to the embroidery machine like so. This part is where you have your garment. And yeah, so then you've got all of these different size frames that can interlock with this main body part. So that is the Maggieframe 8-in-1 kit, which I got off the Maggieframe's website, which I will pop a link below this video. But yeah, that's really cool kit, and it's a really good price. All of them frames on the website is 194 quid. If you were buying them individually from anywhere else, it'd be double if not triple that. So yeah, and I can definitely, like I say, I'll just pick up another one. Okay, this is just another random one. I'm not opening this. Let's have a look how many magnets this has got on it. So there we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this has got 10 magnets on it. So they are really strong. I'll do some videos of it the first time I use it, just to prove or disprove if there's any hoop burn. Hopefully there won't be. And yeah, so I'll definitely let you know how I get on. And like I say, the one I actually wanted it for was this one, for the backs of caps. So yeah, so I'm imagining it goes like that. Yeah, the back of the cap will come over. There's a bucket hat. Will come over like that. Yeah, and because of the shape of it. Oh yeah, that's quite good. I will do a couple of videos on that as well. So you may well see quite a few videos over the next few weeks of me testing out each and every one of those different sized hoops. And like I say, I'll pop a link to Maggieframe's website below. That's an absolute bargain for 194 for 8 hoops. And as I've just shown you, the magnets on them are brilliant. There's loads, 10 magnets on that last one I showed you. So hopefully I should get on well with them. I will give them a try and let you know how we got on. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. If you'd like to give us a thumbs up, if you want to. If you don't. And please follow the channel. Have any questions, please do ask. Anything you'd like me to make videos on, with the DTG, the Fusion Hotronics heat presses, Melco embroidery machines. That's an Epson F2200 if you want to know. I've also got an Oki 8432 White Toner Pro and loads of other bits of machinery. So any questions, please do ask, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you very much.